If you'd like to adopt a posture of mindfulness, we can sit comfortably wherever we are, on a chair or on a cushion, and letting the body really settle wherever we're sitting. Releasing the need to be moving or to be speaking. Allowing stillness and silence. And our eyes can be open with a soft downwards gaze, or we can gently close them if that feels better to us. Aware of the whole body sitting here, the presence and the weight of the body. The contact with the floor. And with our seat. And the movement of the breath. Just noticing when we're breathing in and when we're breathing out. And we can come back to this anchor of the breath at any time during the practice. The gentle rhythm. And now bringing to mind an act of kindness that you've received from someone still alive. Could be, as I've said, a small, simple gesture that touched your heart, that really felt needed at the time. Could be something that happened very recently or a long time ago. Or maybe something that made a big impact comes to mind. It's taking a few moments to settle on a specific act of kindness. And if nothing comes to mind, taking some more moments to reflect. Doesn't have to be a perfect example of kindness. Just something that touched our heart. And when you found something, taking some time to explore the memory of this experience. Picturing the person, and yourself and the act of kindness. Maybe you can see where you were at the time, what they said or did, and how this made you feel. What did it feel like to be cared for in this way? For someone to take the time to be kind to you. And letting this feeling fill your whole being. Perhaps you can feel some sensations in your body. Just noticing what sensations these feelings bring and letting them linger. And if the mind wanders, as the mind generally does, as soon as we notice, we just gently and kindly come back, remembering this act of kindness and the feelings it evokes. And if feelings of gratitude arise, we can include them too. Lingering and savouring the goodness of it. And if it feels right to you, we could offer this person who showed us the kindness some good wishes. May you be well. May you be happy. May you be safe. And concluding by offering these wishes to all beings everywhere. May we all be well. May we all be happy. May we all be safe. And then letting go of the memory and the words, and leaving the mind and body to be however they are. Letting ourselves feel whatever we're feeling and be just as we are. Simply being. Present. present and aware without any particular focus.